Hey, how's it going? Do you like to save money and DIY on a budget? Well, today you can get everything either thrifted or at the Dollar Tree store. You're gonna love this one. And it's kids friendly, which not all mine are, but today is. So let's go. Hey guys, today's gonna be fun. K.I.S.S. Keep It Simple Sunday. The host of the challenge is Melissa at Melissa Makes DIYs. We're gonna keep it simple. We're going to either use supplies that are on hand or easily available, or kids can do it. It's not an art masterpiece, just something fun and easy. Now, the go-go gadget in me says, oh, no gadgets, no heat gun, no hot gun, no glue gun, no pyrography, no special pencils. I was like, no, let's just keep it simple. Today, you can use I'm gonna use some just regular old school glue, or I'm even gonna do it even easier. I'm gonna use staples. I'm gonna get out the stapler and staple it together. You can use staples, glue, thread and needle. And today I do have some tulle and some ribbon and stuff. I either got it, well, most of this stuff I thrifted at the thrift store, but you can get this stuff at the dollar store. So I am gonna use some fancier stuff, but like I said, I got it for 25 cents. And for the main body, I'm gonna use pop cans, bottles, toilet paper roll. If you don't have toilet paper roll, you can cut your paper towel in half and use that roll. Instead of tulle, you can use toilet paper. That would be so cute. And on the body, you can paint it, but I'm gonna use paper. I was gonna use material that I thrifted at the thrift store, but I think everyone has some paper, and you can either paint it yourself, or you can make polka dots easily on it. You can do all that yourself, or you can just grab some paper. And paper's pretty cheap. You'll find some little pieces. Now for the legs and arms, I am gonna use these fancy little straws I found, but you can use straws, you can use material and whatever you want. For the head, I'm gonna use these pumpkins from the dollar store. So I'm gonna use pumpkins for the pumpkin head. And yeah, just have fun with it. I might make a felt hat, but you can make it out of anything. You can make it out of material you have, old material you have. There's also these infinity scarves. I might make some out of this infinity scarf. That's really cute. I also got that at the Dollar Tree store. And yeah, let's just have fun. Now this idea was 100% stolen. Yes, I'm a thief. I stole this idea from Indiana Jones. She's a good friend of mine, and she goes live usually 5 to 7 times a week at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Catch her live videos, she's excellent. But she totally made this, and I totally stole it. I did ask for permission. And what is she gonna say? Of course she said yes. She would love for me to share it, so that's what I'm doing. I'm using it, and I'm sharing it, and I stole it. Okay, let's go. First of all, I'm gonna take this paper towel roll, and I will give you some options. If you really don't have any paper or old material or anything, you can just paint it with your kids. You can do dots. And this is the body. This is gonna be the body of the shelf shitter. Okay, I just said kids could join this. Shelf sitter. shelf sitter. Blah. So you can do dots like this, or you can do little squares would be cute. So you could do squares, but today I'm gonna use some paper. I got some options here. Stripes, polka dots. Might use this one. I'm just going to roughly roll it around and cut it with my scissors. Here she is all finished. I just tied a bow on the top of the pumpkin. I'm not gonna lie, I was having technical issues without using my glue gun. It was a real struggle for me. The staplers, I ran out of staples and it was just awkward and it took forever. Whereas a glue gun, I would have been done in minutes, but with a stapler, not so much. So I gave up on the hat. I was gonna make a witch's hat, gave up. And like I said, I did run out of I ran out of staples, so I gave up on the hat and just tied a bow. I hope you like her. Easy DIYs, DIYs on a budget. Then smash my subscribe button, ring my bell, and come back for some more. Love you, bye.